Hi viewers, my name is Nkechobina. I'm reporting for Asta Diamond TV California, Lagos, Nigeria branch. Today we are at Armstrong Hospital and we have come to meet with the doctor to talk to us about COVID-19 and possible ways we can stay safe and get above this pandemic all over the world. So we are going in to meet with the doctor and the MD of Armstrong Hospital. Hello, good evening, sir.
Hello, good evening, madam. You're welcome.
Yeah, thank you. Can we meet you?
Okay, I'm Dr. Austin Oshike, a family physician and a medical director at Armstrong Hospital.
Okay, thank you. This is Kechobina from Asta Diamond TV, California, Lagos, Nigeria. So today we have come to speak with you because we know the whole world is right now passing through a phase talking about COVID-19. So, and we are meant to understand that there is this cell-GBT supplement that is good to work. I don't know much about. I'm not a medical person. That's why we are here today to speak with you. So tell us more about this COVID-19 and possible ways we can stay safe and fight this virus. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. First and foremost, I want to mention that when I was first introduced to this product called cell-GBT, and they called it a supplement, it was really mind-boggling for me to believe that a supplement could be doing what is being claimed to do. But after much pressure from some experts, I had to go into research to find out what this product is really about.
Okay.
And my findings were really surprising. I never knew such a thing could be in existence. Now, what is this about? The product they talk about contains something called ribosine. And when you look at ribosine is a molecule, that helps the body to produce its own glutathione. And from records, we have known, even researches and studies, we have known that glutathione is a very powerful antioxidant. It's a very powerful immune booster. It helps the body to recover. It detoxifies the system. And it's also very good at destroying viruses. So coming across all these findings, it wasn't difficult for me to believe that we are, we have something that could be very relevant with this. But then at this point we can say it is just academic. You have to practicalize it before you can, substantiate what your claims are. And we found out that it has been very effective. And I also want to tell you that there is a common observation going on presently in this COVID-19 pandemic. And what is it? What is this fact? Glutathione is said to be very okay. The concentration of glutathione in children is very good, very high. And as you age, somewhere beyond the age of 20 years, your body begins to lose the ability to produce glutathione.
Okay, sorry, you mean every human has glutathione, born with glutathione?
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
Okay.
So by the time you are 20 years of age, your ability to produce this glutathione begins to go down. As a result of that, the body needs, a source, to boost it up. But then it becomes an issue for years that scientists were not able to come up with a satisfactory way of boosting your body's glutathione, not until this product came. Okay, and if you look at it, children are usually not, so much affected with this COVID-19, but it has a very devastating effect on the elderly people, among whom we have low levels of glutathione. Okay. So this is giving it a strong credibility that it is having a role to play, when it comes to this COVID-19 pandemic.
Okay, so what you're saying is a high level of glutathione in children was able to make them resist the virus from coming to attack them. While adults are aging, because they have reduced rate of glutathione, they are not able to resist this pandemic.
Absolutely, that's quite correct.
Okay, so now let's see this product that you're talking about that will help build the glutathione in every adult to resist this pandemic you're talking about.
Okay, this is what we're talking about. So you can see, this is called cell-GBT. Some people call it miracle in the body, in the bottle. I like to call it a lifesaver.
Wow.
I like to call it lifesaver
Wow.
because I've had various experiences with all categories, all manners of chronically ill patients that were in a very hopeless conditions that there's little you could do to help them. Talk of stroke, talk of hypertension, diabetes, cancer, and all that. But mind you, I must sound this note of warning. It is not a drug. It is not. It is not meant to diagnose. It is not meant to treat, or cure any ailment. Okay, it is just a food supplement that is meant to boost your immunity, raise your levels of glutathione, and when that happens, amazing things can happen to you. Of course, we know in children they are not stressed. Their immunity is quite high, so it is an amazing experience. So as a result of that, I can recommend this for whoever has any condition, a health condition, including this COVID-19 situation. You can be rest assured that you have a lot of benefits to derive from it.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you, Dr. Austin Oseke. One more thing, just give us a last word, a word of advice. How do we stay safe? How do we practice safety throughout this pandemic period? What do you have to tell us?
Beautiful. Well, if you are looking at me now, I'm sure you might be in a position to tell me more because the media is so flooded with, the processes. You wash your hands, you have your face mask on, you keep your distance about 2 meters. The way you wash your hands is very important, at least not less than 20 seconds. When you have your soap, it is advised that you initially soak your hand with water, then you apply soap, you rub your hand this way, go in between your fingers, go behind, before. Okay, you can do all this, like this, you do all this, then under running water, you wash very well. And by the grace of God, we shall overcome this pandemic.
Amen. Thank you very much, Dr. Austin Oseke of Armstrong Hospital. Like all your viewers, this is how to wash your hand. He has practicalized it for you. Wash your hand very well. And please stay safe. Keep your distance away from a crowded place and always put on your nose mask. And I assure you, by the grace of God, that this will also pass. We are all going to come out victorious. Please, once again, my name is Nkechi Obinna from Asa Diamond TV, Lagos, Nigeria. Stay safe and stay blessed. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.